Dear students, let us start our new chapter, chapter number 3, कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री। ये चैप्टर में हम प्लेन सरफेस पे कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री के बारे में सीखेंगे, जिसे कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट मेथड भी कहते हैं। कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट मेथड क्या है? तो ये कोई भी एक ऑब्जेक्ट या कोई भी पॉइंट को हमें कहीं पे लोकेट करना है तो उसके लिए हमें दो एड्रेस की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। अगर आप आपकी फ्रेंड के घर जाना चाहते हो तो आपको दो चीज़ों की खास ज़रूरत पड़ती है, एक तो सोसाइटी नेम एंड एक तो घर नंबर। तो इसी तरह कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में भी हमें कोई भी पॉइंट अगर डिनोट करना है तो उसके लिए दो एड्रेस की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, दो कोऑर्डिनेट्स की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, जिसे हम यहाँ पे सीखेंगे कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट मेथड से। आप लोग जानते हो कि कोई भी पॉइंट है, कोई भी रियल नंबर है, उसे हम नंबर लाइन पे डिनोट कर सकते हैं और नंबर लाइन के कोई भी पॉइंट के लिए हम एक रियल नंबर ले सकते हैं। उसी तरह यहाँ पे कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट मेथड में आप ये दो परपेंडिकुलर लाइन देख सकते हो, एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई एक्सिस। एक्स एक्सिस डिनोट एज एक्स एक्स डैश, वाई एक्सिस डिनोट एज वाई वाई डैश। This two perpendicular lines will divide this plane into four parts, and each part calls quadrant. So we can give them name this way, that first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Here you can see that these two lines, perpendicular lines, means x x dash and y y dash. X dash is called x axis and y dash is called y axis. They are intersecting in a point. That point is called O, that is origin. And for origin, its coordinates. Coordinates means x coordinate and y coordinate always be 0. So 0 0 is its coordinate. If we want to denote any point, then we will always address them with the help of x coordinate and y coordinate. So O point is, for O point we can write that O bracket 0 and 0, this way. So now let us see some another point about it. Here you can see that first quadrant. For first quadrant, we can see that from this 0 to right hand side, we will denote all the positive numbers as number line, as we are doing on number line. And to left side to this 0 will denote negative points, this way. Same way on y axis, from 0 upside we will denote positive points and downside we will denote negative points. So now you can understand that for first quadrant we will get point which has x coordinate also positive and y coordinate also positive. So we can say that for first quadrant plus plus is there. Here it is written into bracket. And x is greater than 0 and y is also greater than 0. Same way for second quadrant. Here for understanding, for in first quadrant you can see that x axis are also having positive numbers and y-axis also having positive numbers. For second quadrant you can see that here for x-axis we will get negative points. Means for second quadrant its x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. So here it is written into bracket that minus plus. The number we will get is having x coordinate negative and y coordinate positive. Same way for third quadrant, minus minus is there because its x coordinate is minus and y coordinate is also minus. Same way for fourth quadrant, we can say that the point will be plus minus, as x axis is plus and y axis is minus. So this way here one table is written here. Observe it very carefully, that first quadrant. Now here one more point is written there, that is interior of angle XOY. XOY. Let me explain. XOY. Here it is denoted X. This is O and Y. Interior of angle XOY means this angle. Between this angle, we can say that this first quadrant. Same way for second quadrant, interior of YOX dash. YOX dash. Interior of this angle is called second quadrant. And for third quadrant, x is negative and y is also negative. Y quadrant is also negative. For fourth quadrant, x axis, x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. So now you can understand this, that कोई भी प्लेन जो है उसमें हम एक्स एक्सिस और वाई एक्सिस दो परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, जिससे वो 4 क्वाड्रेंट में डिवाइड होगा. हर एक क्वाड्रेंट के लिए पॉइंट हम डिनोट कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट के लिए प्लस प्लस, सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट के लिए माइनस प्लस, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट के लिए माइनस माइनस एंड फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट के लिए प्लस माइनस. One more point I want to explain you, that for coordinates sometimes they are using abscissa, and for y coordinate they are using word ordinate. So remember that for x coordinate we may say abscissa and for y coordinate we may say ordinate. Another thing, that if we are having a point on x-axis, then its x coordinate is any number, any real number, and y coordinate will be 0. Same way, if we are having a point on y-axis, then its y coordinate is any real number and x coordinate is 0.